This device can detect up to 30 different pathogens with one sample by one test. Inside the reagent pack, we can find cervical swab, sample extraction buffer, sample preservation buffer, RB reagent, and MC reagent. We can find a GenDx on the right side. The first step is to start a machine by pushing the power on button on the back side of the device. The device will begin self-checking, making sure the device is in good condition. Now the operator can input account information and password. The account information is admin. Default password of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then the operator push the login button to log in, and then push the setting button to enter setting interface. The user can customize the setting and then push the home button to return to home page. This is the second step, sample preparation. Put the cervical swab into the sample preservation buffer. Rotate the swab 5 times along the tube wall tightly to release the sample. Break the cervical swab at the breaking point. Screw up the lid of the sample preservation buffer. Reverse it 7 to 10 times to mix up. Screw off the lid. Squeeze the sample preservation buffer. Drip around 10 drops into the sample extraction buffer. Then reverse the sample extraction buffer 7 to 10 times to mix up well. Let the sample extraction buffer stand inverted for 3 minutes. Take out a pipette with 100 mul volume and set the volume at 45 mul. And then transfer this 45 mul MC reagent to RB reagent tube. Squeeze the process sample inside the sample extraction buffer. Squeeze the solution in the sample extraction buffer into the RB reagent. Do this until the solution in the RB reagent reaches 750 mul. Take out a GenDx with the stick side facing upwards. Remove the opening sticker on the injection pore. Take out a 1000 mul pipette with the volume of 660 mul. Take out 660 mul solution with the pipette. Point the pipette tip vertically to the injection pore of the gene chip, making sure the pipette tip match the injection pore completely. Push the solution from the pipette to the GenDx continuously with same power without any stop. By this way, we can avoid air coming inside the GenDx after finishing adding the sample. Quickly use the sealing sticker to seal the injection pore to avoid leakage or any contamination. Open the cover of the device. Screw off the fixing device of the tray. Transfer the GenDx to the tray of the device horizontally. Make sure the GenDx is well placed. Screw up the fixing device. Close the cover of the device. Click New Detection to enter the interface of sample detection page. Choose catalog number. Input specimen ID. And then click Start button to begin detection. The device will begin to operate according to the set parameters, and it will also show the remaining time. When the test is over, the device will show the result of control and all the other parameters. Click the curve icon to see the according amplification curve. Orange color is for positive, green color is for negative. When the control fails, the result will be invalid if you set auto printer. When the test is over, the printing machine will give you the according report.